Alright, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about the trades of the day with the opening range breakout strategy. Today we're trading the ES and the NQ. The ES is starting to come alive a little, as I say, trending up and is moving in some pretty decent ranges. And the NQ is getting a little fast and choppy and whippy with long wicks. So you got to be a little careful with the NQ here. So we started with the ES here. We had a $300 goal on two contracts. It broke out here within shortly after the open, and it hit our two contracts to hit our goal for a nice trade. 291 in the bank. Then this is our second trade on the ES. A little sluggish day with the ES after the big day yesterday. We upped our goal to 400 here. And it got a breakout here just after 10:30. And this is our second half hour trade. You got your first half hour. This is our second half hour trade on the ES. And then it went up, hit our profit targets. We're not looking to score any home runs. We're just looking, 8, 12 ticks or what have you, and get some profit and call it a day and come back and repeat the next day. So got the up move, couldn't hold the high, did the short here, sold off to our profit targets, hit our max gain, and we got 383 on that one. Then we had one more trade in the ES, and we made over $800 in the ES today and over 500 in the NQ in just two trades. And then this is the third trade on the ES. Going into the third half hour, and ES was just not able to get going here today, and I was expecting the sell-off to go a lot lower. Hit our first profit target, then I adjusted the stop loss to almost break even here, and naturally it reverses. That's the way the market's been working lately the past couple days. Comes down, tests the low, and then buyers come in and ramp it right back up, and so the bot caught the long, and we got 133 added to the goal, and we'll take it. So now let's look at the NQ trades. Just two of them today. So the NQ, the first half hour was just the gap up. It really never got going. So we waited for the second half hour to trade it. And here it made two trades, like I said. It got long here. Hit its first two profit targets, then the stop loss kicked in. Break even, just about. It was break even plus 2 ticks, so still made some money on that move. And then it just consolidated, really couldn't get going and ripping like it did yesterday. And then it took out the opening range high, sold off, and we had a $500 goal, I believe, today, and it didn't quite make it. But like all week I've said, it gets short here, this big red engulfing bar to the downside, and you think it's going to go lower, lower, lower. And then bottom feeders, catfish traders, whatever you want to call them, bottom feeders, come in, buy the market up, and it's not going to dive. So that's why you have a stop loss. And you don't want to disregard your stop loss because this thing just kept going after that. So take the money while you got it. So that's a day's wrap for the opening range breakout strategy trades. Be sure to visit our website, Trading123.net, for more information on this strategy. Hit that like button if you found this video interesting, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And we'll catch you in the next video. Good luck with your trading.